Distinguishing between an EJ style and an Invacare style is made easy by focusing on the upholstery. Here's a helpful trick: measure the distance across the two center holes in the upholstery. For an EJ seat, if the measurement is 4 inches from center to center, and for an EJ back, it's 5.5 inches. On the other hand, an Invacare seat measures 3 5/8 of an inch, while an Invacare back measures 5 inches. The final detail you'll need is the width. Simply measure across the front of the seat, and you'll find options in 16-inch, 18, 20, 22, and beyond. Armed with these measurements, you're all set to order the perfect upholstery for your chair, making the process quick and hassle-free.